Welcome to the KSE Elementary Newscast. Today is Wednesday, March 9th, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, for liberty and justice for all. Please post attendance, teachers. Teachers, please make sure you are syncing your grades in Schoology to PowerSchool. This needs to be done at least every week, but it's also a great idea to do it each time you enter grades. Book fair setup will be Wednesday, preview day will be Thursday, and starts on Friday. The following Thursday, I will send exact schedules this week. Late duty today is Miss Langford. Tomorrow will be Miss Barnes, and Friday will be Miss Waller. Read Across America Week. Today we are wearing a wacky tie or scarf. And on Thursday we will be wearing any crazy socks, multicolored ones, red or blue ones, and funky socks will do. On Friday, the Cat in the Hat will be wear a sombrero, baseball cap, or even a beret. It's wear any kind of hat day. Important dates. Wednesday, March 9th, Integrity Handbook training with Miss Gibbs during our hour-long PE. March 11th, out of uniform forge jump rope of heart. March 14th, ACAP faculty meeting. March 15th, blood drives. March 16th will be his spring pictures. March 17th will be third quarter ends. March 18th, teacher work day, no school for students. March 21st, ACAP alternate and summative testing, fourth quarter begins. March 22nd, math PLT. March 23rd, HMH representative on campus. March 25th, Feel Good Friday. March 29th, PST. Black History Highlights. We will continue February's Black History Highlights. Today's will be written and read by Corbin Franklin from Ms. Heichman's class. Hank Aaron was a famous baseball player. He broke 6 different records in his career. He broke the same record 23 times in his career. That record was the farthest hit in MLB or Major League Baseball history. Hank Aaron was also very nice. He would sign most of the baseballs and shirts and all the other items that baseball players would sign. He always was willing to talk to anyone, children, adults, and teens. He did not care who it was. He would talk to anyone. He was a very good-looking baseball player, so of course he had a wife. Her name was Willie Aaron. He also had 6 children. That's a lot, am I right? But he was a real family guy. He liked doing stuff with his family as well. But the really sad thing is that he died not too long ago. It was a really tragic event that happened. He died in 2021, and his whole family was so sad. His funeral took place in Atlanta, Georgia, because that was where he died and lived at. The exact date when he died was January 22nd, 2021. That's all for today's news. Have a wonderful Wednesday.